Everybody, Chris here with Klingspor's Woodworking Shop, and welcome to Coffee and Grit. Now, you might remember a while back we had a video series on how to turn a pin with the other Chris. Well, we thought, we'd dive in a little deeper and show you some things that, if you're going to learn to turn a pin, you need pin stuff. So today we're going to walk through the pin turning aisle here at our Hickory location, and you'll see a lot of things that maybe you didn't know we had. Maybe you'll see some things that you already knew we had, but we'll see what happens. But if you're going to turn pins, you got to have pin stuff, whether that be blanks, whether that be pin kits, or whether that be bits to drill your different blanks, or whether that be whatever else it is you're going to use in that whole array. We've got you covered at Klingspor's Woodworking Shop. So without any further ado, let's go take a look down the line. Now, what we see is we have a variety of different kits. If you're looking for standard wood, we have a lot of different woods, a lot of different species. If you want something special, something unique, well, guess what? We've got you covered with the different variety that we have. This happens to be the stars. We've got the stripes. We've got the other colors in between. So if you're looking to do something special, maybe it's not a pin, maybe you want to do a bottle stopper. Well, dadgum, we got Tagua nuts. You'd be nuts not to try one of those. So no matter what you might be turning, if you want just a single blank in wood or epoxy or blended material, we've probably got the species you want. If you want a bundle, well, we do carry bundles as well. So if you want a bundle, this happens to be a bundle of 10 different Purple Heart blanks, already cut to the 5/8 by 5/8 size, already linked to the way you need it for your different pin applications. Well, let's keep walking down the aisle because we got a lot more than what's just right here. We sell a lot of different blanks in a lot of different materials and species. So we've got some pretty cool blended material here. If you take a look, this is a hybrid Banksia pod. It's been filled with some epoxy. Very, very cool. I like the little slime green, but that would make a beautiful pin. Okay, so we've got that. We've got different other Banksia pod filled options with plastic. We've got purple, blue, turquoise, red. So if you're looking for a blended product or a solid product, check it out. All sorts of domestic and exotic materials are available. We even sell woods by the pound. So if you wanted to make your own blanks, we'll go over here to the wood by the pound blocks, get what you need out, and on your way. Now, what purpose is a blank if you're not going to fill it with a pin? Well, we have a whole array of different pin kit options, from your traditional 7mm slimlines to your more elaborate fountain pins and different kits that are available, whether that be something funky like a bolt action. Let's see if I can dig in here enough to find the bolt action. This has actually got a little rifle on the clip, so it's got a little swivel on it, so that's a pretty cool kit. So whether you're looking for something small or something big, even if you wanted to do I can't say it online, but it's that kind of a pin. Mike, you know what to do. So anyway, we've got your standard slimlines, we've got your standard fountains, we've got your variety of small kits, big kits. We carry all the different bushings, and if you're looking for, no matter what you're looking for, we've probably got you covered in silver and brass and everything in between. We carry a variety of replacement parts. So if you needed longer tubes to do something special, well, we've got long tubes to do something special. You can cut your own. If you are looking for kits to kind of get started, well, if you might remember, Mr. Stinson talked about this pin turning kit from Rotor, and this is a very cool kit. It's got about everything you need, and it even includes some pin kits in the box with it. So you get your adjustable mandrel, the bits, everything you need to turn these pins are in the box, ready to go. So if you want an all-in-one out the door project to just kind of get started, this comes with about everything but the lathe, and the drill, and learning to turn. But you could watch those videos I mentioned earlier to do that. Anyway, so check this out. This kit comes with everything you need, and that is a pretty cool setup from Planet Plus. We carry a variety of other things for cleaning up the minerals and cleaning up the pin kits. If you wanted to do something different, we've got a variety of sort of oddball stuff, from a honey dipper to an ice cream scoop, salt and pepper shakers, the pepper meals. We have a variety of different options in those. So really, if you wanted to make a bottle stopper, We have a variety of different bottle stopper options, some where you literally put the cork on, and others where it's an adjustable setup. So we've got you covered. Now, don't forget this. If you decide not to go with the Planet Plus, this is one of the best pieces out here. This is a pin mill. Now, what it does is it includes several sizes of your actual mill to clean out the inside of the tube, but it also includes a carbide tipped cutter that squares the top of the blank to the tube. So when you go to assemble your pin kit, everything goes together like it's supposed to. Now, this is made by Klingspor. This is one of the cool things that we offer here that we do make. And so feel free to check that out. If you're looking to create something to where you want to assemble a pin, this is a great way to go because it does give you what you need to, after you've turned the pin to size, to square everything up and get it ready to go on the mandrel and assembled. And we carry all of these replacement parts as well. So if you need something, let's say you've bought a slimline and you want replacements, well, we've got slimline replacements. Let's say you've got a roller ball, you want a replacement refill, we've got your refills. So Klingspor's Woodworking Shop is pretty much a one-stop shop for everything and anything pin turning. And so come check it out, and I don't think you'll be too disappointed with it. Well, it's time to get your turn on. So we've got your pin stuff, we've got your accessories, we've got everything you need. You just got to come up with the willpower to get out there in the shop and get it done. So go check out those videos. If you want to learn to turn pins, come back to the website, woodworkingshop.com, or you can come into one of the local stores at Asheville, Hickory, Winston-Salem, or Cary, and they'll be happy to help you learn to turn and get you all the things you need to get started in your shop. Well, this is Chris with Klingspor's Woodworking Shop, and well, as the world turns, we'll see you next time.
Today's presentation of Coffee and Grit is brought to you by Woodworker Joe Whole Bean Coffee, a perfect blend of light, medium, and dark roast, roasted and packaged right here in North Carolina, exclusively at woodworkingshop.com.
If there's a product you'd like featured on Coffee and Grit, let us know at 800-228-0000 or email us at tech@woodworkingshop.com.